This lady is making 50 to 100 bucks per day just selling AI generated image. As you can see on my screen, I'm on Fiverr, and this lady selling his AI generated image like this one, and making 50 to 100 bucks per day. So she is offering 3 package. As you can see, her basic package price is 25 bucks, 50 bucks, and premium is 70 bucks, and she got 6 order in her QE, and she already finished 43 orders with 5-star rating. So it may be more than that, because many people don't leave review after completing the order, and she's making quite good money. So in this video, we're going to create similar like these images and try to sell on Fiverr, and we go through the step-by-step process. So here is another example. People are selling midjourney generated image. So yeah, if you are good in art, if you are good at editing image, then you can sell images on Fiverr. So we will generate images like the first one. Let me show you this one, but with more modification, and we will need help with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. So we combine these tools to save our times, right? So let's go and see the process how we can do that. So first you have to go to ChatGPT. It's by OpenAI. As you can see, I already generated a prompt, but I will generate a new prompt, no problem. Let me do this prompt, and here you can go a clean dashboard but with prompt. So how you can get this prompt, right? So I'm using a Chrome extension called AIPRM ChatGPT prompt. So I will link below on my description. You will install you can add this extension on your Chrome, and also you can just go to Google and Chrome web store and search AIPRM for ChatGPT, and you will get this extension, and simply just click on add and it will add it to your ChatGPT. So, and then go to search bar and search Midjourney, and as you can see, it's giving me a lots of Midjourney prompts. So I am using, for this video, I'm using the second prompt. So let's see, and my concept will be a robot dog. So this dog is like he's a cool scientist. So I'm making the future. So let's say robot dog space. So let's type here robot dog space. So for kind of information, you can input the topic, the niche as provided by the clients, and you can just input it and hit enter, and this ChatGPT will give you a Midjourney prompt, and you can just use it to generate image. So our next step will be copy this prompt, go to Midjourney, and create stunning images with advanced features. So people there, as you can see, there are 7,000 plus gigs, like, and all of them are getting sale. So why not you can't? You will get sale on Fiverr, so you can make money through Fiverr by selling AI arts. If you go to Fiverr section on categories, you can see AI giving you the AI service, a specific category for AI engineers. As you can see, you can sell Midjourney generated image, DALL-E image, stable diffusion image. So if you're a graphic designer or you're good at generating images or drawing images, then that will be a plus point for you. So let's see, it generated me a long Midjourney prompt, so I'll copy it. So first go to search Midjourney and go to their website, and here you can see the interface of Midjourney, but it's available on Discord, so you have to go to sign in Discord. If you don't have Discord account, just click on join beta on the right section. As you can see, here's the icon. Just click on join the beta and it will redirect to Discord, and just simply accept the invitation. And if you don't have any Discord account, you just simply create the Discord account, and as here you go. People are making images using this Midjourney AI. Here you can see people are using it every second. So to generate our image, first I will copy the prompt. Let's copy it, and to generate image, as you can see on my left screen, you can see the rooms. So newbie 39, newbies 9, newbies 6, 9, newbies 9, 9. These are the 4 rooms available to generate image. So I will use the second one. Let's see. And you have to just write a slash, then write imagine, and just select this prompt, and now this is the prompt generated by AI, generated by chatgpt. Okay, so let's hit enter. Maybe we need to wait sometimes. Okay, waiting, I have to wait for sometimes. So let's see. If you are new to Fiverr, just I will also give you the link of Fiverr. You can just click it and go to Fiverr, create an account, and publish your gig and start making money. Right? It's easy. It's a low competition, and in future we will also give you tutorials of how you can make money selling other things, which will be generated by a ChatGPT. We use ChatGPT to make money. So here's our result. As you can see, Midjourney give me 4 results. So you just need to select which one you like. So I like the second one. So you can comment below which one you liked. I will pick the second one, and to pick the second one, you can see that U1, U2, U3, U4, and this is the selection. So if you want to select the second one, you have to click on U2, and if you want to get variation of U2, then you have to click on video. So I like this variation and I will keep this. So I will just need the single image and U2. So if you, and then you need to just scroll down to get that image. So this time we also have to wait for some times. As you can see, people are like, this AI so strong. He's making like every second, he's generating image every second, and they all are unique. Interesting fact is that you can sell this image if you're expert on Adobe Illustrator or any other editing tools. You can just modify these images. You can make social media poster, you can make videos, you can make stories, you can make brand poster, banner using these generated AI images. So as you can see, you can just pick this image, clear its background, and you can just create content for your social media. So okay, how many times I need to wait? Let's see. I like this one. So you can also get prompts that people are using from here. So okay, as you can see, I got the image, this version. So I will save it on my desktop. So robot dot space. Now if you're doing client work, you have to just go to Fiverr, send them the file. Maybe you can convert the image into AI file, Photoshop file, or any other file, and just send it to the clients, and boom, that's it. So you can make 100 of images in just seconds, right? So that's it for today's video. In next video we're going to show you how you can make money in other ways using ChatGPT, using AI, using latest technology. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, and also share your opinion in the comment section, and you can also suggest us for our next video. And yeah, all the links are given on our description. You can just click it and you can just access. Okay, so that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.